Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question I get asked often, which is how long should my new windows last? So depending on the type of material that you've purchased for your windows is going to determine, basically about how long these windows should last you. Depending on the type of warranty that you get might be, pointing to kind of how long these windows will last you. There's going to be some windows that are vinyl or fiberglass that are going to give you a full lifetime warranty, including glass, parts and labor, things like that. Well, you can expect those windows to last you quite a long time. I've seen windows that were installed in 1990 that were vinyl windows, back when vinyl windows really weren't all that great. They were just kind of coming in, people were starting to, develop them, and they're still out and they're still working. They're not the greatest because the designs of nowadays is way better. So I would expect that a window being developed today is going to obviously outperform and outlast something that was built in the 90s. And again, I do see those often as I'm going into customers' houses, and we're replacing them because they want something that's more beautiful. And those windows really weren't that pretty to begin with. If you're talking about like a wood window, those are gonna last you as long as you keep up on them, right? So a lot of times the windows that we're replacing now that are wood, that were built in the 30s, 40s, and even before that, they're still working as long as they're not painted and sealed shut. They're still lasting. They're not giving you any kind of performance. They're not giving you anything against wind infiltrations, heat gain, things like that. Are they working? Yeah, barely, but they're still working, and it's almost 100 years for a lot of these windows. Any of these new style windows that are gonna come with really great components are probably gonna last you a very, very long time. And then let's talk about the aluminum style of windows. They can last you a long time, but it's also dependent on where they're installed. If you're close proximity to bodies of water, they're susceptible to rust, so you can't actually reuse a lot of the channels that you would to replace rollers because they've rusted out and now the support for that roller has collapsed. It happens. A lot of these things are going to last you a very long time. Count on 30, 40, 50 years. Some of these cheaper windows, well, I can't speak on those. Those are not going to last you very long at all, and I've talked about it before. They're just not built well. They're not built to last. They're built for a quick turnaround, quick flip, things like that. Well guys, hopefully that answers your question. If you have any questions, you can always put them in the comment section. I'll try to get to that as soon as possible. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.